So friends, Samsung is gearing up to launch its Galaxy S25 series globally soon. The top-of-the-line smartphone from the series, the S25 Ultra, is expected to implement improvements and upgrades to the hugely popular Galaxy S25 Ultra after Samsung put its full effort behind Galaxy AI features for this year's S24 and other phones. We can expect it to continue with next year's S25 lineup. Here's what we have heard so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with some credible leaks or rumors which point out what Samsung has planned. So let's start with the design. An Android Authority report in collaboration with X-Tipsters only suggests that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a more streamlined design with a slightly slimmer body and thinner bezels. All the sides will also sport a flat design, with Samsung going with a completely flat brick design like the Pixel 9 series. If we look at the back, the camera's ring are expected to have a textured design surrounding the sensor. The ring's thickness would be higher than the ones used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. When we talk about the display, according to some credible reports, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra would have a 6.9-inch screen, which would be a slightly upgrade over the 6.8-inch of the S24 Ultra. Coincidentally, the screen is the same size as the recently announced iPhone 16 Pro Max. The S24 Ultra's peak brightness had been increased to 2600 nits from the 1750 nits of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and we can expect a slightly upgrade in brightness in the S25 Ultra as well. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.